Aloha, this is Donya, and Patrick and we gonna explain today the major scale and its little formula to know that Andalusian progression, which we'll teach the next tutorial, what I played at the beginning, like this. And the tiny chord melody. To know that, we have to start from the beginning, so watch this video. We explain the formula and a box shape about the major scale. And next week we talk about how it comes to the minor and major chords and which progression to use for the Andalusian scale. See you!